Welcome, mamas. If your hips feel tight and heavy, if you are carrying tension in your lower back, or if you are simply wanting to create more space in your pelvis for your baby to settle into position, that's exactly what our goal is today. The third trimester brings a special kind of pressure. Your pelvis is widening, your ligaments are loosening, and your body is literally preparing a passage for new life. The good news? Gentle, intentional hip opening can relieve pelvic discomfort, improve your baby's positioning, and even support a smoother birth. A few reminders before we begin. Never force a stretch. Relaxing makes your joints more mobile, so aim for sensation, not strain. If you feel any pubic bone pain, shorten your stance or come out of the pose. And most importantly, move at your own pace. Now let's begin. First, let's settle into a comfortable seated position. You can sit on a blanket, your bolster, or a pillow, whatever lifts your hips slightly above your knees. Now bring the soles of your feet together and let your knees fall open. Place your hands behind your hips on the mat, fingers pointing back. Keep your chest open and lifted. Close your eyes. Take a slow inhale through your nose and a long exhale out. Notice how your body feels right now. Maybe there's tightness in your inner thighs, maybe heaviness in the pelvis. Don't judge it, just notice. Inhale, filling your ribs, your belly, your whole chest with oxygen. Exhale fully, releasing through your mouth. Quietly ask yourself, what do I need right now? Not what you should need, not what you needed yesterday. Just right now, in this body, at this stage of your pregnancy. Let the answer be honest, even if it's simple. Rest, space, reassurance. Whatever comes up, offer it a little breath, and then let it go. For the next 20 minutes, your only job is to be here, exactly as you are. Take one more deep breath in. Then slowly open your eyes. We will transition into all fours. Place a blanket under your knees to protect your joints. Hands under shoulders, knees under hips. If your belly is in the way, take your knees a little wider and further back to create space. On your inhale, gently melt your chest forward, cow pose. For the pregnancy modification, keep your spine long. Don't drop your belly too low. Let your heart open between your shoulder blades. On your exhale, round your spine toward the sky, kite pose. Tuck your chin, draw your baby inward. Move slowly with your breath. On your next exhale, begin circling your hips from right to left. Let the movement be as big or as small as your body is asking for today. Then switch directions. Feel how each direction changes the sensation in your lower back. This mobility helps your baby find the best position for birth and relieve sacral pressure. Great, let's return to neutral. Take a breath here. From all fours, step your right foot forward to the outside of your right hand. So we are giving more room for your belly. Come into a low lunge. Back knee stay down. Place your hands on your right thigh. Inhale, lift your chest. Feel the stretch through your left hip flexor. Exhale, push your right knee slightly forward for the stretch to go deeper. This pose alone is powerful for birth prep. Open hip flexors mean less tension in the pelvis. Press into your right foot, use a block if you need, lift your back knee, high lunge. Reach your arms up overhead. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, sink a little lower. Use a block or keep your hands on the ground if you need support. Now slowly pivot your back foot flat, heel down. Open your pelvis, open your arms to the sides, shoulder head. We are coming into our warrior two. Gaze over your right fingertips, feel the ground beneath you. Inhale, strong legs and strong arms. Exhale, embrace the openness. One more full breath here. With the exhalation, lower your right hand to a block or on your right thigh. Reach your left arm up and over your ear. Feel the stretch from your left foot up to your left hip and to your left fingertips. This whole straight line on your side. Breathe here. Imagine your ribcage expanding. More space for your lungs and for your baby. Now gently bring both hands inside your right foot. Use blocks or other available support if needed. Keep the back leg lifted for a moment and gently rock forward and back. Feel the shift in your hips with each small movement. This wakes up the joint, brings blood flow to the area, and tells your nervous system we are opening, not forcing. Now lower your back knee down. You can use your right hand to gently push your right knee away from you. Roll your right foot onto its outer edge if that feels comfortable. Keep breathing. Now put your right hand back down. Lower onto your forearms. Use blocks or stay upright. Whatever is available for you today. This is lizard pose. Feel the deep stretch through your right hip, your groin, your inner thigh. One of the most powerful hip openers for birth prep. Each exhale, imagine your pelvic floor releasing a little more. Each inhale, feel your baby have a little more room. Great. When you are ready, gently press back to all fours. Bring in any movements that feel good. Then let's switch side. Now step your left foot forward to the outside of your left hand. settle into the low lunge on this side. Place your hands on your left thigh. Inhale, lift your chest. Feel the stretch through your right hip flexor. Exhale, gently push your left knee slightly forward for a deeper stretch. Inhale, feel the energy right through your heart. Exhale, notice the sensation across your right hip flexor. This is where we hold so much tension, fatigue, even emotion. Let your breath invite softness here. Deep breathe in. As you breathe out, press into your left foot. Lift that back knee. Come to high lunge. Sweep your arms up. Inhale, reach high. Exhale, let your hips sink. Use any support you need. Even place your hands on the mat. There is no right way, just your way. Now slowly pivot your back foot, heel down. Open your pelvis. Open your arms to the sides with control. Warrior 2. Gaze over your front fingertips. Feel you are drawing up energy from the earth beneath you. Inhale, stand strong. Exhale, reach out from your heart center. Take one more full breath here. With the next exhalation, extended side angle. Lower your left hand to a block or your left thigh. Reach your right arm up and over. Feel the stretch on your right side body now. The whole line, from your foot all the way up to your right fingertips. Excellent. Now gently bring both hands inside your left foot. Use blocks or any support if needed. Keep your back leg lifted first, rocking back and forth. Feel the subtle shift in your hips with the movement you bring in. Gently wake up the joint before we go any deeper. Now lower your back knee down. You can use your left hand to gently push your left knee away from you. Roll your left foot out if that feels comfortable. Deep breathe in. As you breathe out, lower onto your forearms. Or keep your upper body where it is now. Chest lifted. We are keeping this lizard as an active stretch. We're not just thinking and hoping. You are engaged here. You are strong and you are intentionally making more room for your baby to settle. Inhale, breathe for you and your baby. Exhale, release anything that no longer serves you. Inhale, invite light into the tight places. Exhale, let gravity do the rest. When you are ready, gently press back to all fours. Shake your booty off, you've earned it. Beautiful work, Mama. From here, gently walk your feet forward to the front of your mat. We are coming into a low squat, Malasana. If your heels don't reach the floor, roll a blanket or place a block under them. If squatting is too intense, sit on a block. We're looking for a gentle stretch, not strain. Hands together at your heart, prayer position. Elbows gently press against your inner knees. This pose can help open your pelvis from the inside out, creating more space in your pelvic outlet. Keep breathing. Let energy rise from your foundation all the way up to your crown. Now, here's the variation for a deeper opener. Wrap your right arm around your right knee. Reach your left hand behind your back to meet your right hand. If your hands meet, great. If they don't, or it pulls on your belly, simply keep your hands at your heart. Inhale, open your heart while your hips stay low and open. Exhale, imagine your pelvic floor softening. Inhale, feel your chest open a little more. Now release your arms. Switch to the other side. Wrap your left arm around your left knee. Right hand reach over behind your back. Same on this side. No pushing, no straining. Just meet your body where it is. With each inhale, fill your heart with warmth and energy. With each exhale, imagine your pelvis widening. Not forcing, just allowing. Now gently release, unwind, come back to center. One more breath here. Slowly come back to a seated position. Bring the soles of your feet together again, just like how we started. Now gently flap your knees up and down, like butterfly wings. Let the movement be easy, rhythmic. Notice the difference from the beginning. Are your knees closer to the floor? Is there more space in your groins? Does the stretch feel different? This is progress, not in a push harder way, but in a listen to your body way. Now we're closing with a gentle back bend. Now bend your knees and place your feet on the floor, hip width apart. Bring your hands behind you, fingers pointing back away from your body. As you breathe out, press into your feet and hands and lift your body up. Your hands and feet stay grounded and steady. Let your belly be soft and free. Breathe here. This is a beautiful counter stretch after all that deep hip work. Exhale, lower back down. Wonderful. Now, gently lower down to your left side. Place a bolster or firm pillow between your knees. This keeps your pelvis aligned and relieves pressure. Tuck a blanket under your belly for support if that feels good. Rest your head on a pillow or on your arm. Close your eyes. Let your whole body be heavy. With each exhale, imagine your pelvic floor releasing like a flower opening, petal by petal. There is nothing you need to do here. No pose to perfect, no stretch to deepen. Just rest. Your body knows how to open. Your body knows how to birth. Your only job right now is to let it. When you are ready, bring in small movements with your fingers and toes. and then slowly press yourself up to sitting. Bring your hands to your heart. Bow your head. Remember, opening your hips isn't just about flexibility. It's about trust. Trust that your pelvis knows the way. Trust that your baby knows the way. Trust that you are enough, exactly as you are. No striving, no proving, just being. Namaste.